Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the HVCI enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11. First, move your mouse to the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it once. Now type the words Core Isolation. You should see an option in the results with the same name. When it appears, click on it to open the Core Isolation settings. A new window will open inside the Windows Security panel. Here you will see information about device security. Look carefully for a section called Memory Integrity. This is the key setting that causes the HVCI-enabled error for Valorant. If memory integrity is turned on, you will see a switch showing that it is enabled. To fix the error, you need to turn this feature off. Click the switch once. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to make this change. Go ahead and allow it. When you turn off memory integrity, save any open files and restart your system. Restarting will apply the change fully. This fix works for most people who see this message. Thanks for watching.